Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. A massive low pressure across the Caribbean has caused a massive rainfall to be affecting Jamaica from the past few days right now. This has triggered a really terrible and devastating effect on the country after a number of places have been flooded. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to look on what the government is doing in the medium-term measure to help the residents. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. What a situation Jamaica is faced with in this current moment after the country has experienced the normal significant rainfall for the past few days, which has triggered a number of places to be flooded. It has also caused the loss of life of 2 individuals over there in Shooters Hill, St. Andrew, after a massive mudslide that swept away their house from the foundation where it stood some time ago last week. I believe it was Friday leading into Saturday. A massive search was on the way in order to find the 2 individuals. However, when the search was over, both individuals' body were found and they were unresponsive. They were taken to a nearby medical facility where they did not survive this incident. And when we look on what is being played out and the level of debris that is in the drains right across is a cause for concern. I've seen some images of some drains that you're seeing there on screen right now, and when you look on that, that is a cause of improper disposal of garbage, and we are to blame for that because most of the time people will just throw their garbage in any way or any means they see fit. They don't really use a proper sanitary places that are provided for these rubbish, and this then end up in our drains and blocking our drains. Now, we were able to obtain some footage of the flooding, and we were able to obtain footage from right across the country, all different parts from Kingston to St. Andrew to St. Elizabeth to St. Anne's, right across the Negril, Manchester. We have all the footages right here to share with you. Might I appeal to you as well, the motorists that are traveling on the road? You have to be extremely careful as well, especially when the roadway is very wet during this current situation. I was able to obtain an accident that even took place on the toll road leading into Spanish Town, and this was a cause of speeding while the road was wet. So we have all those images and videos queued up for you right now, and we're going to share the first one that happened in the area leading into the corporate area on the toll road, in which a motorcycle luckily escaped being seriously hurt after he was speeding on the wet road during this torrential rainfall. We're going to go over to those images right now on our screen. Let's do that right now.
Sort of movement around jobs and income, and to bring out a jump from poverty. Yes, that is a mass meeting.
Shame. Alright. This is what they are come from, Christian. We are telling everything up from Christian and come from. Christian and man to the pastor.
No! I force me a seat, master.
Anybody going to sit there just run? Go down the
Them crossroad, my workplace, flat out. Watch what I want. Jesus cream. Crossroad not good. No, sir. Hey, they must be losing.
Trucks in last, brother. Olive Bridge. Without a doubt. Where bridge there? You can't even see it. See people over there, sir? Can't. Yeah, video auntie, we can't really take nobody right now. Yo, put my back by house, you see that, look at. Yeah, look at. Look at water, road here, look at. I tell you this is not normal thing going on in our country right now, man. It's not normal. Okay, look at. Yeah? In a yard. Yeah, man.
Yes, and the rain a pick up, auntie. Rain is picking up. Watch the people. Bomba! Yo! You come like I stand there. Come here, Miss Essie. Alright, John.
Serious though? It's a swimming pool is. Watch out. No, sir. Watch out. What did you do? What? Hey, ringworm. Ringworm, I tell you. I not even want the water to touch my foot. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, the mother pass.
Hey, me can't see them jump in there just to get that snap. Big Jesus,
Hello everybody, I hope that you're all well. All of a sudden the rain just started up again earlier today here in New Kingston. It was if anything it was a bit opaque outside. It was a bit gloomy. The winds were heavy, but all of a sudden in the last, I want to say 10 minutes.
Well, there you have it. Significant rainfall affecting the entire island of Jamaica, and as you see there in the video, a massive flooding is affecting all parts of the island. We were able to obtain these footage, I should say, from different areas of the country, and as you can see there, water like crazy right across, covering roads, covering buildings, damaging cars. Even in the midst of it, you could see a funeral service being undertaken by individuals. But I just want to use my platform just in order to just urge people, try your very best to prevent yourself from getting into these flooded roadways or these flooded areas, or trying to cross these flooded pathways, because you know that you're putting yourself at serious risk if you should do that. And we have seen how people have lost their lives on many occasions when they try to cross these flooded roadways. But as you can see there in those clips that we show you, this is a real disaster, and we are just urging people just in order to just take the necessary precautions as much as possible, and just to try to avoid these flooded areas. We show you a video of the Bogwalk Gorge, otherwise known as Flat Bridge, and that area, as you could see, it was totally submerged. You could not even see the actual road itself. leading across, and I hope that no one don't try to cross that during this time and this period of torrential rainfall. However, we'll just try our very best to keep you up to date with this story as well, and we're just urging you and using this platform as a medium just to implore you to just protect yourself and just try to be safe during this difficult time of this massive rainfall that the country is experiencing. We're not sure how long this rainfall will last, but as I can see and these videos that have made rounds on social media, it is damaging many business places and ravaging the lives of many people. So we're just hoping that it does stop very soon. We'll keep you up to date with this story though. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for this one once more. Have a blessed and productive day. Peace out. Blessed. Please subscribe to the channel. Alright? Out.